Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Silo Season 2. As the enigmatic finale of Silo Season 1 left audiences yearning for more, the anticipation for Season 2 is palpable. Delving into the dystopian universe crafted from Hugh Howey's novel, the Apple TV Plus sci-fi series, led by a stellar cast including Rebecca Ferguson and David Oyelowo, has been a resounding success. With Season 2 on the horizon, fans eagerly await revelations and the next chapter of the enthralling narrative. Silo Season 2, a renewed journey. Amidst critical acclaim and a historic debut on Apple TV Plus, Silo's journey continues with Season 2. The renewal, announced by Apple TV Plus in June 2023 ahead of Season 1's conclusion, underscored the network's confidence in the series. Head of Programming Matt Cherniss expressed excitement, teasing the unraveling of more secrets of the silo in the upcoming season. Creator Graham Yost, an Emmy-nominated screenwriter, hinted that Season 2 would dig deeper into the intricacies of the world introduced, promising an immersive exploration of Hugh Howey's literary universe. Filming commenced in June 2023 but faced a temporary halt due to the Hollywood writers' strike, adding an unexpected twist to the production. Filming challenges and resilience. Lead star Rebecca Ferguson shed light on the challenges faced during Season 2's production. With filming initially disrupted by strikes, Ferguson shared insights in a July 2023 interview, stating that they resumed shooting in December 2023. The timeline for completing Season 2 remains uncertain, leaving fans in eager anticipation. Comparing production timelines, Season 2's filming, if following a similar trajectory to Season 1, might conclude by mid to late 2024. This speculation fuels expectations of a potential early 2025 premiere on Apple TV+. Silo Season 2, unveiling the future. Season 1's conclusion saw Juliet Nichols cast out of the silo, discovering the existence of other underground bases. With Season 2 promising to dig deeper, Juliet's newfound knowledge may lead to a rebellion against her original home. Rebecca Ferguson's insights into Juliet's mindset indicate a quest for survival and exploration of new territories. Season 2 may introduce fresh characters, blurring the lines between friends and foes. Interviews suggest that Graham Yost's adept storytelling will tie together loose ends, providing answers to some of the series' lingering questions. Potential storylines include the aftermath of Martha Walker's defiance, revelations about higher-ups, and the emergence of a rebellion. Season 2 is poised to offer a satisfying blend of narrative intricacies and emotional depth, leaving fans eager to witness the continuation of the Silo saga. Well, this is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.